Hi you guys, so today's video is gonna be all about the kids bedroom makeover. I hope you draw some inspiration. So let's just go ahead and get started because we have a lot to do.
You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want.
So this is gonna be a total bedroom makeover from start to finish, just like you guys like it. I mean, I asked you guys previously in one of my home decor videos how you guys like the videos to flow, and a lot of you said you love to see it from start to finish. So this is exactly how their rooms looked, you know, when we bought the house. As you guys can see, this one right here is a total like blue room. So it looks like the previous owners, you know, the kid that was in that room was a boy. So as you guys can see, we're starting from painting. I mean, we're starting from the grassroots, guys. So we are first of all putting down some primer because of course you guys can see that the blue is kind of a little on the sky blue side, so you need to use a primer first to prime it, and then you go in with the paint you want. And this bedroom we're doing a makeover for today is gonna be Angelique's room. Definitely look out for Angel's room, guys, because Angel and Angelique's room are like completely opposite. Angelique is more like a pink girl, you know, she loves pink. As you guys can see, we are starting with the primer, and then we're going to put kind of a very nice light pink color. But with Angel is more like, I don't know, I would say like both of them are twins, guys, but Angelique is more like the baby twin. Angel is more like the mature twin. It's so crazy, guys. So as you guys can see, once we painted, of course this one is Angel's room. Angel loved the paint in her room, so all we did was just to refresh the paint in her room, but we kept the paint the same with how it was when we came, like when we bought the house. But Angelique's room, she wanted pink. But anyways, you guys, so while Angelique's room was drying, we decided to move over to Angel's room to start with the wallpaper. So at first I wasn't sure what to do with like the headboard or the bedside of the wall. So we were just going through Amazon and we were like, oh my gosh, wallpaper, right? So what we did was we went ahead and we measured that the particular place you guys are seeing me put the glue, right? We measured it, we went to Amazon, and then we got the perfect wallpaper for this wall right here. And also when we were getting the wallpaper, we read reviews, and a lot of people said that like it's easier to buy a wallpaper that is not peel and stick. You know, peel and stick wallpapers are very, very difficult to work with. So all we did was to get a wallpaper that didn't have peel and stick, and then we just went to Home Depot, got a glue for the wallpaper, and of course I showed you guys the glue we are using. It was so simple, guys. You will not believe that this is my very first time dealing with wallpaper. At first I was kind of intimidated because I was like, oh my gosh, like I don't know what I'm like, how it's gonna turn out. And the worst part of it all is that we are filming it, so I was like, if I make any mess, you guys are gonna be able to see it and all. But oh my god, immediately I put the first glue, put the first wallpaper on, like smooth it out, it was just, as you guys can see, it was just so easy. I would say this wallpaper took us probably 30-45 minutes to put the whole wall. It was super duper easy that I was so shocked. So now I'm a wallpaper girly, guys. I feel like I'm so in love with wallpapers that every like, if you allow me, everywhere in my house is gonna have wallpaper. But anyways, you guys, can you guys see how gorgeous, like how beautiful this wallpaper is? It's so pretty. And with Angel's room, we are working with different colors. I don't know where she came up with all the colors, guys. She said she wanted her room to have a mixture of gold, beige, white, silver, gray, all them colors, all the metallic colors. I was like, Angel, I'm not sure how we're going to pull that off, but let's see. She showed me some inspiration. You know, she like how she wanted her room to look. So we went to work, and I'm so proud. Like, I can't wait to share Angel's room with you guys, because it's completely, Angel's room is completely opposite from Angelique's room. So we just went ahead, put the wallpaper, as you guys can see. I would say, you know, I would advise to probably have 2 people, so that, because as you guys can see, I'm up on the ladder, and then, you know, the girls are helping me to kind of position the wallpaper towards the down part, because of the fact I'm up, you know, I can't manipulate it below, you know, from the ladder. So they also helped me to fix it in, and as you guys can see, the wallpaper came out so nice. This is Angel's room, and Angelique's wallpaper is more on the pink side, which you guys are gonna see in a moment.
In that hallway, we couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her?
Let's just give it up to how gorgeous this whole wallpaper came out, guys. It's flawless. So while we were done with Angel's wallpaper, we also moved over to Angelique's room. Our contractor came over and helped us hang their chandeliers. As you guys can see, this is Angelique's room, still dealing with the paint, and this is Angelique's wallpaper, guys. Oh my gosh, it also came out so beautiful. So once the painting and the wallpaper was ready, as you guys can see, her room is more like on the light pink side, and then her wallpaper, we are going in with the furnishing, guys. As you guys can see, we have this gorgeous canopy and bed. So when we were kind of designing their bedrooms, everybody had an idea how they wanted their room to be. Angelique said she's been like wanting a canopy bed, and the crazy thing is their previous bed is still very, like, it's still on the, like, it's still very perfect. The only thing is, because previously they shared rooms together, so we used 2 twin beds, you know, for our previous home. So now they have their own room, and they, of course, they were smaller when we had the twin bed, right? So now they are much more bigger, and we knew they needed kind of a more a spacious bed, right? So we decided to go with a full. So full is kind of like a little sister to queen, right? So the beds in their new rooms right now is full, which is perfect, because full bed can actually like sleep 2 people. Like full bed is more like queen. So basically we brought in the bed, we brought in the mattress, and then over here, of course, she said she wanted white and pink for her room. So as you guys can see, we're playing with white and pink for this room, guys. So I decided to go in with a very nice velvet curtain. As you guys can see, this curtain is such a high quality curtain, guys. I absolutely love the texture, the material. It was just perfect. So I put the pink, you know, by the 2 sides, and then I decided to put the white in the middle, and it came out so well. And of course, if you know me well, you know I love to steam my curtains, because curtains always have kind of wrinkles and things on them. So going ahead to steam your curtain always gives it that very nice look. You know, you don't want to put up a curtain that has all them wrinkles and freckles on it. But anyways, you guys, I went ahead, and also, as you guys can see, we're of course we are furnishing already. We added the nightstands, and you know, for her nightstand, I decided to throw it off. I didn't want every single thing to be, you know, white and pink. So as you guys can see, her bed is more like on the cream side. We have the nightstands, you know, that have a mixture of white and gold. As you guys can see, I love that lamp. You know, the lamp, the nightstand, they both go hand in hand, as you guys can see. So once we go ahead and put that in, we are working now on the kind of on the desk area. She says is the office area. So basically their rooms are grouped into three different sections. So they have the kind of the desk and office side according to them, and then they have the sleeping side, and then they have the lounge side. So we just finished with the sleeping side. Now we are on the office side, the desk area, and we absolutely love these decks we chose from Wayfair. The fact that this decks, it has a lot of compartments to read, and it's a very huge decks. I feel like this decks is gonna grow with them, like even when they are in college, like it's the perfect decks, for them. So once the desk is in, we started to kind of decorate the desk area. She saw this this God is good what do I call this frame? I think this is from Burlington. We loved it. We picked it up, and it's so crazy how it goes so well with her bedroom theme, the white and the pink. So now we added the what is it called again? The chair, or what is that called? Yeah, chair, I guess. We added that, and this is like the lounge area. As you guys can see, they loved this the armchair, the wing back chair we had from our previous home. They really wanted it, so I left it for them. They decided to put that by the, like they call that what, that side, the lounge area. All right, so I feel like this is the showstopper for this bedroom makeover, guys. This mirror. This mirror is so cute. I love the waves. Like, it's kind of a wavy mirror, and it's a full body mirror. So if you want to hang it, you can. If you want to kind of put it on the floor, you can also. So as you guys can see, we just, we put it on the floor, and it's just perfect. I feel like that also tied in with the whole thing, because as you guys can see, we have, I feel like the lamp, the mirror, her bed, they all have the same color tone, kind of cream, and then we have white, and then we have pink. Everything just tied together nicely, which I love. Like, I was so in love with her room. I don't know, I'm kind of in between. I don't know. Anyway, by the time I post Angel's room, you guys will be able to tell me which of the rooms you guys prefer, because I was caught in between. Angel's room came out so beautiful, Angelique's room came out so beautiful. So I don't know, if I don't even have like my favorites. There's no favorite, because their room, we did justice to each and every one's room. But anyways, you guys, she went ahead to decorate her decks. You guys, look at this accent piece here. Kinda needs to study. Kinda want to take a nap. She just went ahead and added her computer, set up her decks. Look at this. She looks as if she looks like she's in an office, guys. It's so funny. All right, so last but not least, we went ahead to make up the bed. Look at them coming in like housekeepers. So they went ahead and just made up the bed. It's so crazy, guys, that before, right, I would be the one to kind of do the whole makeover myself, the colors I want, everything I want. But now the girls, they are literally growing into women, and they know exactly what they want. And listen, I didn't even bother. Immediately they said they wanted this, they wanted that. I didn't even want to oppose or to put my own suggestion. I just gave them what they wanted, and it came out so pretty. I love the way their bedrooms came out. And yeah, of course, you guys already know that everything you see in my videos is always linked in my description box. Every single thing you see with this bedroom makeover, from the wallpaper to the curtains to the bed to the nightstand, everything is gonna be linked in my description box. So definitely try and check that out. And also, if you enjoyed this video and if you would love to see Angel's video, definitely if you want to see Angel's bedroom makeover, definitely give this video a huge thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys draw some inspiration for your kids' rooms, and of course, till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. drunk and the music's loud.